what's up everyone, Agent Axe here. So in my last episode I made a bird trap and caught some pigeons at the local park. And on this episode I make an even better trap and catch lots of birds. I even catch a few of these cool zebra doves. So yeah, let's get to it.
Trail leading to the trap. Let's see if we can't catch a pigeon. So I just got one.
Hey, hello. Hello.
Pigeons are not too smart.
It's just eating.
It was just eating the seed. It's just eating the food. Like it does not care what it does not care that it's in a trap. I got it. Yeah, I got one. Wow. I'm gonna see if I can try to catch another one.
Okay, that's a pretty bird. Yeah, it seems like it's like the Pigeon Hotel. It didn't even care, right? It's just like, whatever. You trap it, I'm just gonna keep eating.
And it doesn't even seem that stressed out. Look at it. It's just like, huh?
It's cool. They all want to go in Pigeon Hotel too. They're like, please let us in Pigeon Hotel.
Like me.